Hey everyone, Luke Durden here, and this week I wanted to show you all the process of this painting I did of Billie Eilish using oil paint on a wood panel. I like to pre-mix my palette when I'm in the studio. Because I'm in a controlled lighting environment, I can pre-mix all the values and color temperatures I'll use for this composition. This allows me to just focus on rendering when I start painting. When I'm doing a portrait, I like to make sure to render as much detail as possible in the three major features. That being the eyes, nose, and mouth. It's the first thing the viewer sees, and the first thing they'll notice if something's wrong with it. So I take my time and make sure it's rendered as accurately as possible. The idea behind this painting was to show a deconstructed look. That is, intentionally showing all the different stages the painting goes through. I wanted to show the wood panel, underpainting, the sketch, the abstract block-in, and high detailed rendered areas. The goal was to give a viewer a look into the process of the painting and to give a feeling of vulnerability. You see, every painting starts from a blank canvas or board, and most of the time we make great efforts to cover every inch of the foundation we built on. I think often we forget that deep down, no matter how wealthy or how poor we are, or how fortunate or unfavorable our current situation is, that at our roots, we are all the same. Sure, there's genetic differences, difference between beliefs and practices, but at our true core, when we strip it all away, we are all alike. We are all the same thing. And I think it's easy to get caught up and see greatness in so many people, and to sort of lose yourself in the world around you. But to strip it all away, to break it all down, and to humble not only yourself, but to look at the world in a more broad view, that we all started from a blank slate. Some ahead of others, some behind others, but we all have this blank slate that we can build upon. And it's never too late to add a new layer to your own painting. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far into the video, make sure to leave a like and put a comment down below if you like this style of painting. If you think it's something different, something unique, just let me know down in the comments what you think. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell notification to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. I put a new video out every week. And again, thank you all for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day.